Díogait agus fáilte go dtí an rang Gaeilge, inniu bhálum fécant alt. So it's a ceist seo by to Scríobh alt. You will be writing an article. I gcóir Irish leabhar na Scoile for your school magazine. And it is about a Turas Scoile. Turas Scoile, a school trip. Okay, so you can guess what's going on here from the pictures and from the clues and what happens. Okay, so the sequence of events is completely up to yourself, and as long as you're mentioning all of these things, you're covered. Okay, so picture a hain an bus, picture a do Cashlán, picture a tree she and vrú. I've seen another translation for that, which is brew na Boine, which is Newgrange. I'm sure what brew oige is a youth club. Okay, so that's where you stayed. Unad ach tríochta, okay, is an adventure centre, and Bia Jazz is nice food. Okay, so how are you going to fill as much of this space here as you can? That's the question, because you've got that, all of these lines here, and then you've got that as well. So you're expected to do as much as that of that as you can. Okay, so for this we've got some helpful vocabulary there for you, okay, which you are going to write down into your Copleir Gaeilge, okay, in preparation for this. Hopefully then you're going to be able to add some things in yourself, and then at the bottom you have some verbs that you'll be able to use and form your own sentences. Okay, so lá bra a bhí ann, it was a lovely day. Okay, so scríobh síos an Gaeilge agus an Béarla. Bhí an aimsir go deas agus bhí an grian ag tanmh. The weather was nice and the sun was shining. 3. Bhí an aimsir ceart go leor. The weather was okay. So you could use both, or you could use one or the other. Bhailligh gach duine sa scoil ag. Everybody met at the school at. Okay, so we put in a time and a day. Bhí gach duine bís. Everyone was excited. Bhí bliain a trí ag dul Thuras Scoile. So third year we're going on a trip. Okay, dog on bus ag a. The bus left at, okay, at whatever time. Bhí gach duine ag conna an bus. Everyone was singing on the bus. Bhí atmosphere iontach ann. There was a brilliant atmosphere. Donimir imrú óige. We stayed in a youth club. What do they call it? A brew óige. Not a youth club. A youth hostel. Sorry. Bhí an bia blasta. The food was tasty. Scalóga agus ispíní. Okay, so put that into a sentence. Okay, dihammer, we ate. Dihammer, scalóga agus ispíní. Maybe. Okay. Hahan an bia le gach duine. Everybody liked the food. Bhí go leor le déanamh. There was lots to do. Bhí an bia sorv lasta ann. The food was very tasty. Bhí ladóg board agus cluichí eile sa bhrú óige. There was table tennis and other games in the youth hostel. Hogamar cuairt we visited. Okay, so then you can put in Hogamar cuairt Cashlán, Hogamar cuairt she, what does it say there? She and vrú. Okay, or Hogamar cuairt unad ach tríochta. Okay, on what? Hunnig me, I saw. Hui me, I went. Di me, I ate. Dol me, I drank. Dimriamer, we played. So what did you play? Beidir cluichí rivera, beidir cluichí ladóg board, no snooker, no pool. Hulamer goodie, we walked too. Okay, so this is lots and lots of vocabulary and phrases and sentences that you can use, but you have to develop them and you have to finish some of the sentences yourself. Okay, so you'll be working in groups for this, and hopefully this is a really good way for you to start, and will give you the foundation you need to work towards completing a question on this. Okay, slán go fóill.